gonna pick up your bottle? Oh, you're a hot mess, little girl. What is going on over here? Of course, you try to eat the Kleenex. Oh, your hair looks lovely. Good girl. Good girl. They gave you a mohawk at school, didn't they? You just gotta lean it back. Come here. Mommy help you. Come here. You go lean back. There you go. Yeah, it's a little big for you. Cameron. Cameron.